Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and Android version because procedures vary. Once done, enable developer options if you'll use ADB. Install ADB on your PC or plan to work directly on the device using quick settings gestures. Next, unlock the phone and open Settings, then System. Make sure USB debugging is enabled under developer options when using ADB and grant permissions when prompted. These steps put you immediately into the state needed to remove or hide the status bar. With the phone connected and authorized, open a terminal and run the ADB command to change the global policy control for the status bar. This hides it system-wide or for specific apps. Once executed, test immediately by swiping down and by opening target apps to verify behavior. If you need only specific apps, modify the command accordingly. Make sure to explain the why. Policy control instructs the system UI to enter immersive mode, which forces the status bar to stay hidden for the chosen scope. If ADB isn't an option, use System UI Tuner, supported launchers, or an accessibility-based app to hide the status bar. These are safer but may be limited by OEM restrictions. Once you finish, confirm permanence by rebooting and retesting. To restore, run the ADB revert command to set policy control to null. If things go wrong, inspect a DB logcat output for system UI errors, check developer options and app permissions, and verify your Android build doesn't block immersive policies. Address that before repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.